everyone, welcome to Dynamic Kitchen. My name is Alice John. On this episode of Dynamic Kitchen, I will be showing us how to make a chocolate mug cake. A mug cake is simply a cake made in a mug. It's simple, fast, and time-saving. And the best part of it all is prepared in a microwave oven for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. To start this recipe, we will be needing self-rising flour, sugar, 1 egg, cocoa powder, any type of cocoa powder can do. We will be needing vanilla, baking powder, melted butter, a mug, and milk. I started out by pouring my milk into the mug. Next to the sugar and egg.
This magic moment, so different and so new, was like any other until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise.
Mix the wet ingredients together before pouring in the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients composes of the cocoa powder, the flour, baking powder, and my vanilla.
I knew that you felt it too, by the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want I have, whenever I hold you tight. This magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of time. Oh, oh,
together and put my mug in the microwave oven and set the time for 3 minutes.
sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want I have, whenever I hold you tight. This magic moment, while your lips are
Here you have it.
close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of time. Oh,
I love the mug cake because it's fresh, convenient, easy, and quick. Do try this recipe and let me have your feedbacks. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you next time on Dynamic Kitchen.